Don't forget the big bad cookout August 16. Menu coming soon. New equipment again in on my side. Yeah man, new mic up and running.
Hold on.
You know the director always there check what go on to make sure say everything up and running.
The tracking number is
Sean and Tonian gang my mother here and I braid it. Say I use clothespin and make curl. Can you really grow the granny, you know? You know your great grandmother that?
one mom here. Sure, remember my name.
Don't know, so if you don't want to get in the ear done, just link up Sean and Tony and let me deal with it for you. Because them have a nice tag team thing where them are going with them. I like the fashion the Sean make. You don't have no ear ads, don't worry. Just make sure you have clothespin in your yard. Sean do some things, you know. You have to wonder more wild style. So who show you that? Where are you? Are you discover it yourself?
Yeah. All time? Yeah. Mr. Chick,
Which one are you
you
dresser?
got some bread here?
Then why you ask me?
I think you don't have me.
So here run out and Sean tell Tony to pull out her bun so she can get more ear. And so them a gang it you know. Outside with the team, heading to Runaway Bay. And you don't know, Mr. Mullins step on the front seat, I go on all the vibes. And we have the three beautiful ladies. Team ACT, Akira, Chantal, and Tonian. Yeah man, the three hard way. Don't know, so I go always a bit of vibe. So I sing and I go and hold the vibe on the journey, you know. So Mullins just go and pre the whole settings and you know I'm always alert because I feel him think that. People, ball are rolling, you know. The agency are forward shortly. The exact date will be announced Sunday night on Sunday Night Lime. So make sure you want to check in.
The AC I go stuff her up. She not go sound right.
Tony and sick out, you know. But today I do the work same way. So we have to just keep the AC off so it don't make you feel worse.
No, you're alright.
Alright, ready?
You never told me anything about blowing.
Why for that, you know? No blowing argument around here. Burn up.
One. You don't blow.
Yeah, Kira, make him know what I go on, man. Because I want to dry your night, you know.
You don't want you can't done wipe it up?
Yeah.
Now if I go whiskey.
Look what go on. Akira slippers left for her road. So she a practice for walk in 1 foot of heel.
You know the stuff she talk about about on her shoes pop.
You know, say true though. And she call him name it Pop.
What was that? What was that, Sean? What did he say?
Why you run from demonstration?
That's the asking me why.
Him tell
Why
us
am I running
demonstrate.
from
The man that
demonstration?
demonstrates in his entire career.
The things that I really want to demonstrate for.
about, I cannot demonstrate about because of the type of job that I do. Because what I really want to demonstrate about is the bad roads.
Someone know if you don't agree in the comment section.
I cannot.
That more want to demonstrate about. It cost me much money. Eh? Over $60,000. And then something there. Yes. Yes. Short Mother's Day gift money. Yes. Yes. I can't even buy roses and those stuff again.
Roses are red.
Yes. I mean the roses where the petals can actually pick.
The real one.
The real one. The original, traditional rose.
Yeah man, he make himself clear. The real rose matter.
So those are the things that I really want to demonstrate about.
Black road.
Yes. I want to demonstrate about those people taking away people, woman.
Hold on there, man. That gets serious.
Demonstrate and
That one sounds personal.
no, it's not personal, no. But critical.
Giving Siva some support on another production called Joanna's Revenge. You don't know we're going to do there because we're going to always give our support. Everything did good enough until I find myself at work. Siva asked me for pull down light for him. And I said, nah, work tonight, you know.